The Voice of the People's Party, led by its president Adan Miller Basayomoy, conducted an urgent inspection of the Conservation Training Institute in Byrnihat to express strong opposition to the government's covert plans to convert the institute into an industrial area and relocate its operations to Maukhanu. Addressing the media, Adan emphasized that the VPP is firmly against any attempt by the government to convert the CTI into an industrial area. He warned that if the government proceeds with its plans, the party, along with the public, would be forced to take decisive action.
Just sun, right? You just get one. Okay. So once you smoke it,
so you have to leave for how many days?
Which one? After cutting?
Party, I get Sarkar, bagi persyak dia kata, namar ba, kan kata ia kemarin, mo, kamtam ia kini kesenong Byrnihat kabar dulu lupa pergi jingship kerang, bat kabar tadi lupa kata kesenong kabar jakliat tam hari India, ikwa banjeng persyak, I get Sarkar kam sengap.